Good evening, everyone. How is your day? How are you? We thank God for yet another day. This evening, I'm going to be doing smoothie, and we're going to be doing it with plums. Here's my plums. I'm having my peach. I have nectarine, and I have the banana, yogurt, and my juice. So let's get into it. I'm going to get everything cleaned, washed, and clean. So I'm pouring it inside my blender. It's well chopped so that my blender can take it. So I'm adding my yogurt. So I'm going to add in my juice for easy blending. Covering it up. So I'm adding it. So I'm going to pour it in my serving jug. For healthy living is a good way to have your smoothie. Thank you for watching. Please do give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, put up the notification bell so that you can see my subsequent video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.